welcome to today's session. Well, this is Sana Khan, your math master teacher from Vedantu. And what is today? Well, today is another math lab activity, right? So in today's session, I am going to show you all that how can you memorize all the different type of angles through a very useful DIY. Okay, so let's do this activity. It's basically a fun activity. We are not going to prove anything. We are just going to see that what different type of angles exist, which we use them in geometry and in every other classes. We are going to use it in future also. Okay, so in this session we will be seeing what are the different type of angles, what is their name, what is their value, and we will also do a DIY to learn them and memorize them forever. Ready? So for this you will be needing two colored papers. I have taken two colored papers like this, a scissor and a pen. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to cut out a circle from these sheets. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, I have cut out these two circles. As you can see, one green circle, one yellow circle. Now what you have to do is take the two circles and cut them along the radius. Okay, don't cut it completely. Okay, the circle should remain intact. Just cut them along the radius till the center. Now after cutting them along the radius, what you have to do is you have to intersect them like this. Okay, so what I have done over here, I have basically made the intersection of the two circles to create a wheel. Okay, you all remember a rotating wheel? We have seen it at so many places. Now in this rotating wheel, start naming the angles from 0 degree, right? So 0 degree is the smallest angle, which is also called as zero angle. So number one angle that we are going to learn is zero angle with 0 degree value. As we move on, what do you see? We see acute angle. So what is an acute angle? An angle that lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, right? So number second angle that we learned is acute angle, whose value lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Third angle that we have learned in this class is right angle, called as exactly 90 degree, right? So right angle is the angle whose value is 90 degree. When we move ahead of the 90 degree and rotate our circle, which angle do we see? Obtuse angles. Now what are obtuse angles? Obtuse angles are the angles that lie between 90 degree and 180 degree. And 180 degree is our fifth angle, also called as straight angle, right? So till now we have seen zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Now what comes after straight angle? Rotate the disc again. What do you see? So we see, after rotating the disc, reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? An angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360. So if you observe here carefully, acute angle has a gap of only 0 till 90. Obtuse angle also has a gap of only 89 degree, from 90 to 180. But reflex angle has the biggest range from 180 degree till 360 degree. And what is our 360 degree angle called as? Complete angle. Remember? Now one good point to note down over here is zero angle and complete angle, they lie at the same point. They have the same value. The only difference is zero is the angle which has no degree at all, and complete angle has full circle value, that is 360 degree. So these are the two rotating discs which you will be needing to do this activity. Simply you have to intersect the two rotating discs like this and you can perform this activity very simply. You can make this and keep it at your home forever to understand and memorize these angles properly forever. So guys, this is how we have done the math lab activity to memorize all the different type of angles. Don't forget to do this activity, DIY activity, at your home, and do share with me if you have done it or not in the comment section. Bye guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.